Hello guys, a very short tutorial how to put together this peekaboo card. So first of all, we are starting with 4 pieces cut out of white cardstock. This number 1, that is going to be our inside, is 4 1/4 by 8 1/2, and then it's cut in half at 4 1/4. It should look like this. Our second piece is number 2. It's going to be our front, and it's usual A2 size card, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. The third one is 4 1/2 by 3. Then I scored it along 3 inches line, 3 inches side, at 2 3/4, and put an adhesive, double-sided adhesive on this little flap. I use a usual Scotch tape for that. Our fourth and final piece, that is going to be back of our card, it's 4 1/4 by 5 3/4. It's cut and 5 1/2. It means that you need to take a little flap over here as well and put a double-sided adhesive. So now let's start putting this card together. Let's start with the front. For the front, you're going to need to take piece number 3 and piece number 2 and line them up like this. Okay, this is one part of our card. This is piece number 2 is front. And then we're going to put together piece number 1 and piece number 4. Piece number 1, you should fold it in half like this, as if it were a usual regular card, and then attach here at the back this flap like this. Okay. This piece is our back, this is inside, and this is our front. And to put up this card together, okay, you should go front piece, then the inside piece. It is going to be put like this, like a puzzle, and then the back. At this point, we should proceed with cutting out a circle. The circle should be cut out. First of all, you should align it with your front part, like this. I'm going to do this off camera. First, you are going to cut it out of your front piece. Then you're going to align your card and mark your inside part, and you're going to proceed by cutting a circle right here, and then the third time on the other side part of your inside piece. So it means that you are going to have your circle cut out 3 times. All the times it should be aligned so that you can see through the 3 layers, 1, 2 and 3, and you're going to see what is stamped on the back side of your card. I hope that makes sense. Once did your first die cutting, I mean on the front of the cut, don't throw away this piece because it should be useful to align everything perfectly. So first of all, I realigned again all the pieces of my cut, mark with a pencil the circle, and then I'm going to align with this pencil line my die cut piece, and then flip on top like a puzzle die cut this way. I'm going to die cut other two inside layers all the way through to the back part. Once finished with die cutting, we should realign our cut. You should end up with this situation. And now we need to glue our front panel to our inside. I'm going to put a little bit of glue here. And align all three circles together. Okay, and now you should see how this cut works. First you're going to trace one small circle on the back side of your cut. Here will be your main image, what you see when the cut is closed. And once you open it, this inside piece will slide inside like this. You should mark this circle as well. And here you're going to put your hidden message. Thanks for being here with me, and I'm leaving you with the images of my final cut. Goodbye.